takot na questionin yung commander-in-chief nyo because tayo, we have the leeway na questionin yung ating mga commander kung nagbibigay sila ng tamang order o hindi. Tinuturo sa atin yon. Even yung sargento ninyo, naranasan ninyo, mga sundalo ninyo, pag sir, delikado tayo niyan, sir. Ganun ba? And then you're ready to hear him out. If the commander-in-chief is not ready to hear out the chief of staff or the PNP, may problema tayo. Ganun ba kahirap yung magpa-drug test ka because may issue sa'yo? Samantalang nung pre-election, nagpa-drug test siya. Di ba? Ba't kaya hindi ka magpa-drug test na lang? Kasi presidente ka na? Mali naman yon. Because you owe it to the people of the Philippines who put you in power. You owe it to everyone down the line following